Google Sites Site Navigation tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate or set up the site navigation bar or the hamburger menu to your Google site. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to create a new website. Basically I can go ahead and do that for all of the existing websites from here. But let's say that you do not know how to have a website from Google and you're going to set it up from scratch. So basically we're going to choose a template. I can go ahead and extend the template gallery. I'm going to choose one of the websites that I have, for example, for these templates. So let's go ahead and choose a website just like from here. I'm going to choose maybe this one. So I'm going to wait for a few seconds until the navigator is or the website builder is going to have our website. So as you can see, this is the menu bar, or the not the sidebar but the direct bar. So what can we do from here? Basically is going to be very simple. We can go ahead and modify it, but this one or this menu is going to be related to the specific pages. So you can add from here links, pages, and whatever. So I'm going to add here a blank, for example, page, and we're going to find it here. I can go ahead and add not a page but a link. We're going to put it as maybe get into the schedule. So we're going to name it maybe calendar, for example, like that. You're going to find it here. Now what we're going to do is to click on the home page. I'm going to be back to the home page. I'm going to click on the parameters or the navigation settings. From the navigation, we're going to see the mode. As you can see, this is going to be known as the top mode. We can go ahead and have the side mode as clicking on the drop down menu, click on side, and it is going to be here. So I'm going to exit that. When I click on it, it is going to be in a frame, or in a case of a hamburger menu. So we are going to have all of the elements here, and we're going to have the choice to choose whatever element that we have added. So if, for example, I am going to have here, let's say an element from these, I'm going to put home at last. We can go ahead and find it here. So basically it is going to be changeable. And in case you want to change it to the direct or the top, you can go ahead and click on the gear button, navigation, and top. Boom, just like this. So basically we can do that also for all the websites that we have created already. So I have shown you how you can create a website from scratch. So I'm going basically to choose one of the websites like this one. This is a made website, as you can see. So what we're going to do is to head over here, and we can see the navigation from the pages. We click on navigation settings, and we can go ahead and have the mode to slide, or not slide but side. So here we have it. As you can see, it is going to have an animation for it, and also it is going to apply a form of a light box for the menu to shadow up a little bit the navigation. And as for the customization, basically you cannot going to be having such a customization for it. It is going to be set up as like this from the standards or the generic parameter from Google Sites, but you can go ahead and modify the elements from the pages. So it is going to be fully recommended from the pages. For example, if I'm going to choose maybe another theme from here, as you can see, I'm going to choose maybe another theme. It is not going to be changed, but maybe the background is going to be changed depending on the specific color that you're going to have from here. As you can see, as the selection menu is going to be like that. Also, this is going to be, as you can see here, set up to something more different. So here I'm going to have this font. You can see that it is going to be changed whenever I am going to have something. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.